Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing and it's from M&S, Marks and Spencer's, and it's the brand new wellness box for 2024. That's what it looks like. I haven't opened it up yet. It's really heavy. It costs £25. I don't know what the value is. It doesn't say on their website, but it contains 8 products, 3 of which are full size. And I'll show you as soon as I can get this blimmin' thing open. Yeah, got it. I'll pop a link down below in my description. Oh, that's why it's heavy. Got a massive bottle there. That is huge. I did know we'd have a full size. I think it's a shower gel. I didn't quite realise the size of it. There's some really nice smells going on in there. Okay, I don't think there's a leaflet, but all of these products can be found on the M&S website. So if you want to look into things a little bit in more detail, then you'll be able to do so that way. No information, so we'll just get straight on to unboxing it then and showing you. I've got my favourite scent from Neom Organics. It's the neroli one. It's a happiness scented candle. I love this. I've got it burning downstairs. I follow Jamie Genevieve on Instagram. I'm not going to go off on one, I promise, but I just want to mention something really briefly. Oh, I love it so much. She posted on the stories before Christmas, she had this lamp and it's a candle melting lamp. So you turn the lamp on, it's a halogen lamp. You can turn the intensity up or down, whatever you want, like well, as you normally do with a lamp, I suppose. But instead of having a candle where you've got flames, so if you've got kids around or dogs or anything like that, then, you know, sometimes lighting candles can be quite dangerous. With this, the heat from the lamp melts the candle. So you have the aroma going around your room without lighting it. And you can leave it on for hours. Basically, I got one. I had to buy one and it's downstairs. If you want to see what it looks like, well, let me know down below and follow me on Instagram and I'll post up a story showing you what it looks like. I've got this candle. It's a bigger size version of this, but I've got this one. So my room smells of neroli. It's not just neroli, mimosa and lemon. Oh, I love it. I love it. So it's a scent to make you happy. I've got quite a few Neom Organic candles. Thanks to Advent calendar season. there's one of these candles and so many Advent calendars. And a lot of them are the Scent to Sleep one, which is nice. I've got a few of them behind me. I do use them, but I've got enough to last me a few years. So I'm going to have to get them all together and give a few away as little presents maybe. So no, I'm really happy with this. I'd never give this away because it's my favourite. Next up, it's a plastic bottle, but it's M&S's own brand, Calm Apothecary, fragrance with lavender, sweet orange, hoe wood. What is a hoe wood? Cedarwood, and it's a body wash, and there's 470 mils there. Yeah, okay. With a fragrance containing essential oils of lavender, hoe wood, I'm just reading to you exactly what it just says, blah, 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 which are considered to have soothing and relaxing qualities. Massage into wet skin and rinse well. Well, you know what to do with the shower gel, don't you? But I do love receiving shower gels. Oh, that has quite a strong smell of lavender. So if you're not that keen on lavender, then you won't like this. I don't mind it. I really like it. I think that's really nice. Really nice. But yeah, I just thought I'd mention because I know lavender can be quite hit and miss, can't it? I know I'm chuffed with that. It's a big bottle of body wash there. Then I got L'Occitane. This is a hand and nail treatment balm. This is full size. This is Almond or Amande. Please someone let me know what it is. I could look on the internet actually. How do you pronounce Almond? Amande. Is the E silent on the end? I need to look into it, but it's the second one I've received now in the last couple of days. I had one in a cohorted mystery box, I think it was. This is full size, 75 mils. As I've already got one, I might keep this. This makes a really nice present. I do like L'Occitane and I do really like the hand creams. It's my mum's birthday on Sunday, which is probably when this video is going up actually. So I'm going to keep that for her, because she loves hand creams. It's got a really nice almond scent. It leaves my hands really nice and soft. It is a really gorgeous hand cream, but I just have a few of them. So I think I'll put that in a little gift set to give my mum for her birthday. It says, ideal for moisturising and softening the skin, making nails more shiny, softening cuticles for normal to dry skin. Who's that? Then we have got here M&S's own range, Apothecary Revive, with shea butter, lavender butter, jojoba oil and rosehip oil. This is a nourishing cleansing butter to cleanse and glow. There's 50 mils there. Oh, it smells really nice. It does smell really nice. Now, I've got a feeling I've already tried this in an M&S advent calendar or maybe a beauty box about a year or two ago. I wonder, I don't know, it rings a bell anyway. Cleanse and Glow, a luxurious butter soft cleansing balm that removes all makeup, including waterproof formulas. Skin is left feeling deeply cleansed, rejuvenated and nourished for all skin types. Infused with an aromatherapeutic blend of eucalyptus, lavender, lemongrass and sandalwood essential oils. Yeah, that sounds lovely. It's a nice little pot there. We got another product from L'Occitane, and this time it's for your feet. This is dry skin foot cream, and there's 30 mils here. Rich with shea butter, this cream helps nourish, refresh and soften the dry and damaged feet. I don't think I've tried this. I tend to use foot cream more so in those summer months when my feet are on show more. I think I'll give that a go, see if that will help my my feet are disgusting. They always have been. I walk around barefoot everywhere. I only wear shoes if I have to leave the area of where I live. I say that because I'm barefoot outside as well. I'm barefoot down the front of the garden, back of the garden, the drive. If I have to go beyond there, then I wear shoes. We got This Works spray. Which one? It's a pillow spray to fall asleep faster naturally and wake up refreshed. 10 mils there. They've got different types of sleep sprays. That's why I was trying to look to see which one, so, like chamomile and lavender and all that, but it doesn't say. But what is it with some sleep sprays? I don't know if you find this too, but when you sniff it, it's like, ooh, it just makes you want to sneeze or cough even. Yeah, this is one of them. I'm not saying it's a bad sleep spray, but I tend to not really use the ones that make me cough. My husband hates them, absolutely hates them, but I'll see if my daughter wants it. We've got a facial spray from Emma Hardie. This is Plump and Glow Hydrating Facial Mist, anti-pollution, helps to boost hydration and plumps up hydrated skin and fine lines, helps to protect the skin against pollution and environmental damage, evens out the complexion, provides a soft focus and luminous glow. There's 30 mils here. I've actually taken one of these on holiday with me because it's a nice size, isn't it? See, I love things like this. I apply facial spray after I've cleansed my face, and then before I put serums and hyaluronic acid on my face, and then I might top up during the day. No, it just shows you how to do it. You just hold it away and spray. Facial spray. And then the last item in the box, we've got an M&S own brand. This is Formula Sleep and Replenish cream. It's the ultimate sleep cream, and there's 15 mils there. Apply a small amount onto your face and neck using small upward strokes every evening after cleansing. Yeah. Smell. Oh, that's got gorgeous smell, but it's a perfume. It's a perfume smell. It doesn't say what's in it. It's a beautiful smell anyway. I like it. So we've got a face cream, and those are all the products inside the box. So to recap then, we got a happiness scented candle from Neom Organics. We've got a L'Occitane Almond hand and nail cream. We've got an M&S own brand Calm Apothecary. It's a body wash. We've got a This Works deep pillow spray. We've got an Apothecary Revive by M&S. It's a cleanse and glow cleansing butter. Got a L'Occitane dry foot cream. Got an Emma Hardie Plump and Glow Hydrating Facial Mist. And lastly, we've got a Sleep and Replenish, a nighttime cream from Revive by M&S. The whole lot comes in at £25, and I don't know what the value is. If I can find that, I'll pop it down in the description, but I think it's a really nice box. You've got some really nice products in there. Some I'm going to be giving to my mums, you know, and yeah, I'm going to be keeping a lot of them as well. I'll probably pass on the sleep spray, but yeah, everything else I will use. I would love to hear what you think, so please comment down below, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.